Did you know one desperate shout in a dark prison changed a man's entire destiny? Paul and Silas had been beaten and thrown into the deepest cell in Philippi. Their backs were bloody, their feet locked in stocks, but at midnight they were singing hymns. Suddenly a violent earthquake shook the prison foundations. Every door flew open, every chain fell loose. The jailer woke up and saw the open doors. In Roman law, if prisoners escaped, the guard paid with his life. He drew his sword, ready to end it all rather than face execution. But Paul shouted through the darkness, "Don't harm yourself, we're all here!" The jailer rushed in, trembling, and fell before them. "What must I do to be saved?" he cried. That same night, he and his entire family were baptized. One moment he was ready to die in despair, the next he found eternal life. Sometimes salvation comes in our darkest hour when we finally ask the right question.